Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do a unboxing or unbagging. And I'm gonna take my glasses off. Unbagging. Oh, I got this from the Mars label, so let's be clear about that. I got it about that brand. Mars label brand is like super dope clothes. I just found out about it probably like maybe like last month, a couple weeks ago. And I've already stocked up on a few goodies. So this was another purchase that I made. Super cute. Mars the label. Mars the label, if you want to go look it up and get you some goodies. So let's get into this. Oh wait, let me take my glasses off for real. So, lately I've been watching the Bad Boys LA. First I watched the Bad Girls. No. What is it? The Baddies? I know I'm probably way behind. But I watched that shit and it is the most ratchetest satisfaction I've seen in a while. Like I literally just sometimes just stop everything I'm doing and just sit there and I'm glued into the TV. Cause I'm like, are we allowed to be watching this kind of stuff on TV? Like I feel like in a few years, like some like fraud is gonna come from the people that made this show, like Natalie Nunn and all of them. Like we're gonna find them in some type of shabacle in a few years, cause this shit is just can't be good for your karma. But anyways, let me finish. I can't talk into things at 2 times. So this is this is the top. I mean the bottom of the skirt. I'll put a picture up of what I ordered. So this is the skirt, the top. Like that's the 2-piece. I'll put it on in a second. And then on top of the 2-piece, I'm going to wear this, like a drape dress. So it's like real low cut, but it's a dress. So I'm going to tuck this into the skirt and then wear it like that. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay. So I literally have to tuck this. Like my boobs are out, so I'm not gonna do like this because I gotta readjust it on the when I'm really gonna wear it. But anyways, this is how it will look like. It's just enough for this. And I wear like these with this. With that, maybe this. I don't know.